from all over come to Colorado for the annual Ride the Rockies tour. And today was the first day of the ride, Boulder to Winter Park, 89 miles through Berthoud Pass. Only today, temperatures plunged and snow started falling. Many of those riders got stuck.
Wow, look at how much it's snowing.
It's not exactly the kind of weather you'd expect on June 8th, a snowstorm at Berthoud Pass. Ride the Rockies socked in by cold, wet weather, stranding hundreds of cyclists. As many as 200 riders needed help, buses transporting the frosty bike riders to safety. But many, as you can see, still sporting a smile, climbing nearly 10,000 feet in slush, sleet, snowflakes, and wind.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingme.webs.com.